Welcome to the Website Builder tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create a custom website using pre-built templates. Here you can see all the templates of the Website Builder. You can see 4 types of templates here: Exchange ICO payments and mining. Here you can filter out every template like ICO and payment templates, mining templates. So let's dive into the Exchange template. First here you can see all the template saved drafts. After saving each template into a draft or publishing any template to your website, it will come to the saved draft. And this is your broker ID. If you want to order a custom website, click here. Hovering over a template will reveal the edit option and the edit button. Clicking the edit button will reveal the edit option. You'll see a warning message. If you have saved any templates in your draft, if there is no template in the saved draft, you will no longer see this warning here. You can see you already have a template in your saved draft. If you edit it and save a new template, it will override. You will see the details of the template. Here you can see the options. Preview by clicking it. From here you can see the preview of the whole screen of the template. And here you can see the pages. You will see all of the pages in this template on this website. So there are 5 pages. This is the About page. Let's go to the Contact Us page. Like this, you can navigate to your pages of the template. And after that, you will see the SEO setting. You can see the meta title and meta description. Click Refresh Suggestions to generate a new title and description. Now you can go to the index page and set a new SEO setting. You will see the Publish button. It publishes the website to your domain. Save the website to your Save Draft option. By hovering over each section, you will find editable texts and images that can be changed as needed. Many texts are already in good shape and ready for use without any additional changes. However, reviewing them carefully is encouraged to ensure they align perfectly with your goals and resonate with the intent. Making thoughtful adjustments can enhance their effectiveness. You can customize the content with any unique insights and perspectives. You have the flexibility to upload any image you require, and you can do this as many times as you wish. There are no limitations on the number of uploads, so feel free to select and submit the images that best suit your needs. Once you have successfully uploaded your images, you will have the option to adjust their size to ensure they fit your specifications perfectly. This allows for greater control over how your images will appear, making it easy to customize them to meet your precise requirements. Take your time to upload and adjust as needed. You have complete flexibility to customize the content in the footer section according to your preferences. Whether you want to add new sections to provide additional information or remove existing ones that may not be relevant, the choice is entirely yours. This is a fantastic opportunity to tailor the footer to better suit your needs, so don't hesitate to get creative. The possibilities are endless. Truly, the sky's the limit when it comes to how you want to present this aspect of your content. By making thoughtful adjustments, you can enhance user experience and ensure that the footer serves its intended purpose effectively. We can now proceed to publish the template. Click Yes to deploy the website. The deployment process is now taking place in the background. Your website has now been successfully deployed. Please feel free to check your website. This is how you can create your own custom website. Paybito Pro offers many templates. You can select any of these to create your custom-built website by following the entire process. Thanks for watching.